If you're building your first website, you're not just choosing where to publish a few pages. You're choosing the platform your business will run on, where you'll share content, capture leads, and eventually sell. You want something you can start today and still build on a year from now, a platform you can own, shape, and grow without getting boxed in. A lot of platforms feel convenient at first, but over time, convenience can turn into constraints. Pricing changes, features get limited, integrations don't exist, or you hit a ceiling when you want to do something more advanced. WordPress is different. It's open source, so you're not locked into one company's rules, roadmap, or platform decisions. Open source means no single company owns the platform, and that changes everything. With WordPress, you own what you build, your content, files, and database. You choose where it's hosted and the tools that connect to it, and if you ever need to move, you can do so without starting over. With many hosted site builders, you can export some content, but the design and page structure usually have to be rebuilt. That's the difference with WordPress. Your site stays portable and your options stay open. Next, flexibility. In 2026, most businesses don't just need a website, they need a system. From landing pages, forms, and email capture, to payments, automations, and integrations that move customers through a workflow. WordPress handles that because of its ecosystem. There are more than 14,000 free themes to shape the look and feel of your site, and tens of thousands of plugins that add real functionality. From marketing and e-commerce to performance and security, that means you can build what you need now and add anything else you need later. Once your site is live, the work doesn't just stop. You'll adjust messaging, launch campaigns, and expand what the site needs to do. And this is where WordPress really proves its value in 2026. It scales. WordPress can grow from a simple marketing site into a complex, high-traffic platform. You can evolve the design, swap tools, and expand features without rebuilding your foundation every time your goals change. And you're not doing it alone. The WordPress community is massive. That means constant improvements, tons of education, and a huge pool of people who know how to build and support what you're creating. So what does this actually mean for your business? If you want to grow an email list, WordPress supports the tools that marketers actually use and lets you run campaigns your way. If you want better leads, you can use forms, polls, surveys, and quizzes to qualify people and route them into the right follow-up. If you sell products or services, you can take payments, run subscriptions, and control the checkout experience on your own site. And if you run memberships or client portals, WordPress can handle that too, plus much more advanced enterprise solutions when needed. When you add it up, between ownership, flexibility, and scalability, WordPress is hard to beat in 2026. It gives you a foundation you can keep building on without rethinking your platform every time your needs change. In the next video, we'll start at the beginning and walk through the first step of setting up your WordPress site. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss it, and I'll see you in the next video.